Although the Z Fold 5 and S23 Ultra, Samsung's current flagships, both offer slight improvements over their respective predecessors when compared to one another, there are still many differences between the two devices, which are unquestionably the best Android phones money can buy. With a diagonal size of 6.8 inches and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, the S23 Ultra has what may be the greatest AMOLED display currently available. While the Galaxy Z Fold 5 adopts a more maximalist stance with its dual-screen foldable design factor, you can simply unfold the smartphone to show a vast 7.6-inch canvas if you ever find the outer 6.2-inch display to be too cramped for your tastes. Both AMOLED screens on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have 120 Hz refresh rates. They don't get as bright as these 23 Ultra's display, but it's not a revolutionary difference in the real world. That said, it's worth noting that the Fold 5's cover display is significantly narrower than most smartphones. As a result, you will sacrifice visual fidelity or smoothness when switching between them. It's perfectly usable, however, if you have bigger hands, you could find the keyboard a bit claustrophobic. Similarly, when viewing video, you could see a lot of black bars. Fortunately, unfolding the Fold 5 will preserve your place in the app and offer you almost 60% more display space than the S23 Ultra. As a flagship Android system-on-chip (SoC) for 2023, the S23 Ultra and Fold 5 are equipped with Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. In comparison to previous year, it delivers a little improvement in peak CPU performance and a much improved GPU. The Z Fold 5 will benefit from its unique multitasking interface capabilities made possible by the enormous internal display. Both phones run the most recent version of Android, version 13, with the Samsung One UI interface as an overlay. Due to its need on moving parts, the Fold 5 suffers a little in this area. Although the hinge should last the device's whole lifespan, you should avoid using it in sandy and dusty conditions since it only supports IPX8 water resistance, unlike the S23 Ultra, which has IP68 dust and water resistance. As foldable durability has increased with each new generation, consider purchasing Samsung Care Plus in addition to your foldable purchase. The Z Fold 5 is thinner in liter but unfolds to reveal a larger display than this 23 Ultra. As you might expect, the Fold 5 and S23 Ultra feel very different in the hand. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.